In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a private server in Steal A Brainrot. Let's go over to the game real quick right here. We're going to click on this button right here and you're going to see create a private server. It's going to load up and as you can see it says 79 Robux a month. Now before we go any further, I'm going to help you guys out with that a little bit. We're going to type in the server name and I'm going to type in Droid Time. And then you'll be able to subscribe. Click subscribe right here and it says you have successfully bought for 79 Robux. And I'm going to click not now here and I'm going to exit over here. But as you can see, this is my server. We're going to exit out real quick. We're going to go over here to please donate. Now, I know some of you might not be able to get free Robux, but this is the game to do it. Now, it's more by chance, but if you go over here, you go over to a stand and you set it up, you might get somebody donating 1 or 2 Robux to you at a time. They might donate a bunch of them. If we click edit right here, we got the text, we can name it. This is mine, and at any point somebody could donate. So far I already have 2 Robux I've earned from this, and Roblox does take a cut. So if you earn 2, you'll get 1. But if you do this long enough, you'll be able to get up to that 79 at least for 1 month. And of course, if you can pay for it, then that would be preferred. But this is how you can get free Robux for the game. As you can see, this is my private server. I'm going to click join. As you can see, this is my private server. No one's here. I can invite friends. I can do anything of the sort. Please subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.